Hello and welcome to another adventure with TMR Tours. I'm Stacy and today we are talking about lower calorie food options at Disneyland. Now, there's a lot of food over at Disneyland and at DCA, but today we're going to start over at the Pacific Wharf, where there's a ton of little counter services all grouped together, but the Pacific Wharf Cafe is the place to be if you want a lower calorie option for lunch. While here, we sampled the Turkey Pesto Club. It's a great sandwich with fresh turkey, tomato, lettuce, bacon, and Swiss. Now, what makes it even better is that it's on a roll right from the Boudin Bakery right next door. And it's big enough that you could cut it in half and share it with a friend. You want to make it a little bit more lower calorie? Just take that bacon right off and you'll be a happy camper. We highly enjoyed the pesto aioli on this sandwich, so head over to the Pacific Wharf Cafe and give it a try. Next up is Maurice's Treats right near the Royal Theater. Now, some might say that this isn't necessarily a low-calorie snack, but it is in comparison to some of the other sweet treats offered around the park. This cheddar garlic bagel twist is a bagel with cheddar wrapped right into the dough throughout the entire twist. Now, sometimes you can even get a seasonal twist to go with it. They're big enough to share, and they're great on the go. So head over to Maurice's Treats to try this out. Next up is the Jolly Holiday Cafe and Bakery at the end of Main Street, USA. Here we tried the turkey ciabatta with honey mustard aioli and house-made chips. Now, this sandwich is a little bit smaller than the one over at the Pacific Wharf, which is great for just a single person. And what I really loved about this sandwich is that it's actually fresh cut turkey and not deli meat. Now, the house-made aioli is really what makes this sandwich sing, very similar to the Pacific Wharf, but a great sandwich here over on Main Street, USA. This sandwich also comes with house-made chips, and they're a great finisher to your meal. If you want to see more food at Disneyland, check out our other video, Things to Try at Disneyland, and you'll get all kinds of insider tips. Also, check out our video on the Disneyland Marching Band. They're a lot of fun. Now, last up, we're going to head over to Adventureland for one more low-calorie treat. Right underneath the Adventureland sign is the Tiki Juice Bar. It's right in front of the Enchanted Tiki Room, so when you're coming into Adventureland, you can't miss it. Here you can get the famous Dole Whip. Now, make sure you use your Disneyland app here to mobile order that Dole Whip. Otherwise, you're going to be standing in that long line. Mobile order is great because you can just order on your phone, walk right around to the counter, and pick it up without having to wait. Now, Dole Whip is dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. It's pineapple soft serve, so think of it kind of like as a pineapple sorbet, and it's a great frozen dessert. For every half cup of Dole Whip you have, it's only 90 calories, so for a dessert to be that low cal, how can you resist? So head over to the Tiki Juice Bar to get your Dole Whip. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.